Hi friends, in today's video tutorial we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. We'll first begin by drawing this circle of 80 radius. So I'll use the circle and I'll use the center and the radius command. Now you can use any center point. I'll click over here and give the radius as 80 units and hit enter. Now after drawing this circle, we'll draw one line which extends from the midpoint of this circle to the midpoint of this circle at a distance of 36 units. So let's begin. We'll draw a line from here extending upward at a distance of 36 units and then we'll press enter to end the command. Then we'll draw one circle of 32 dia. So I will select circle, center diameter. This is the center point. Diameter is 32 and hit enter. Then we want to draw another circle of 24 dia. So circle, center diameter. This is the center point. Diameter is 24 and hit enter. Now we want to cut this circle at a 20 degrees angle. So what we'll use a technique wherein we'll draw one line by typing the line command which extends from here. I'll turn the ortho off and which is at 80 degrees from the midpoint. So I'll press tab and type 80. Then I'll hit enter and then I'll mirror this line. So I type the mirror command of AutoCAD and I select the object to mirror, enter, first point of mirror line and second point of mirror line. And do you want to erase the source object? No. Now we'll just check whether this angle is 20 degrees. So we select angular dimensioning, click on this line, click on this line and you can see it's exactly 20 degrees. So I'll undo it and I'll trim these unwanted lines like this, and I also don't need this part of the circle and I no longer need these lines as well. So this much part is done. Now we want to draw these lines and you can see the distance is 4 units. So we'll offset this line. So we use the offset command of AutoCAD and we'll give the offset distance as 2 units. Select the object to offset, side to offset, object to offset and side to offset. And then we'll hit enter. Now we want to draw one line which is of 52 units and 32 units from the center point. So we can draw the line anywhere. So I'll select line, I'll click over here, turn the ortho on and give the distance as 52 units and hit enter. Now I want to move this line at 32 units from the center. So I'll click on the line, I'll click on the midpoint, then I will not use the move command but I'll press Ctrl and right arrow and select from and I'll click over here and again bring the mouse over there and drag it down and give the distance as 32 units and hit enter. Now this line is precisely 32 units from the center. Now I'll press escape and draw one line which extends from here, let it go beyond the circle, and another line which extends from here and let it go beyond the circle. Now I trim the unwanted parts of this line as well as the circle. So I don't need this circle and I don't need these lines. I don't need these lines. I don't need these lines as well. Now also I don't need this line, and I don't need these lines, and I also don't need these lines. Now I want to fillet this at a radius of 4 units. So I'll use the fillet command of AutoCAD. R for radius, radius is 4 units, and then click on this line, click on this line, again fillet, click on this line and this line. Then trim the unwanted portions. So I don't need this, this, this and this. Now our geometry is complete. So I'll select my entire geometry and I'll change the thickness to 0.30. Then I'll type CM for center mark. Click on the outer circle, press escape, select the center mark and change the color to bright red. Press escape. Now we'll proceed with the dimensioning. So we'll first use diametric dimensioning. Click over here and 32 dia. Again diametric dimensioning. Click over here, 24 dia. Then we'll select angular dimensioning. Click over here, and it is precisely 20 degrees. Then we'll use linear dimensioning. Click on the center point of this, and over here we want the midpoint of this, and it is 32 units. And again linear dimensioning from center point of this to this point, and it is 36 units. And then we go for aligned dimensioning and click over here, it is 4 units. Then we go for radius, click on this circle and radius is 80 units. And then we go for linear dimensioning, click over here, it is 52. And then we go for radius dimensioning, click over here and you can see it is 4 units. We'll do one more time, radius dimensioning, click over here and click over here, and our geometry is now complete. So you can compare both the drawings so that you get a pretty good idea about how you have proceeded with the geometry. So friends, in this video tutorial we have seen how to make this geometry in AutoCAD. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.